Hey, welcome back to Land Shop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be what did I buy Wednesday? It's been a few weeks since I posted what I've been getting, so with that, let's get to it. All right, so first up, I picked up the Hardell mini rotary tool, and then I did buy the chuck for it. This cool little kit comes with a little pack of accessories in here, and it does take a Dremel chuck on there if you want to change it out and use a chuck instead of the collets in it. The reason I bought this, and none of the shafts would work to go in there to do some polishing with. These were all too big in there to fit any of the collets, so I ordered a M7 M8. That's what it says it would take to replace that, and it didn't work. And then I was at Menards and seen they had the 4686 or 4386 Dremel one, and it fit just fine. So I was able to get that taken care of, be able to use that the way I want. Another little thing we bought. This is to go along with the MRAP I'm going to be building. There's some military equipment, some backpacks, ammo cans, stuff like that. Practice some weathering on this, or military painting, anyhow, when we get around to it. Got that on Amazon. It was like $12 or something like that. Then we picked up the Turbox Mini. Do some acrylic. I'm probably going to use this more for acrylic air paint or airbrushing. That way, because I don't want to. I'm going to do this in my little hobby area. I'm going to put me a little table in, maybe a small little booth, but not really have it ventilated as much. Just a fan or something to just so I can spray it real low pressure when I'm painting those miniatures and the military stuff, because I ain't going to be back and forth going to my spray booth for stuff like that. Put that back up here. I'll get everything all set up one of these days. Then I did buy the quick release for the airbrush. Or is that separate? One of these days I'm going to do a video on all the airbrushes I have. I got quite a few. I don't collect them, but I have a few. What else have I bought recently? Other than a couple kits I'm going to show next. I don't think nothing really. It's been a while. I ain't been buying a lot. Ordered these on the YouTube Sparkies models. This little, not auction, but he just sells vintage kits. Cool little Catalina. It was bagged. Everything's there. Went through it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I was thinking of doing a gasser for the 100 years of Pontiac build. We'll see. I don't know if it'll work right, but we can make it happen. So we picked that up. You know what? Too bad shipping, like $9 for two kits. Then I didn't have this box of this model, and I had to have it. And I like the decals in this one. There's some cool decals in it. Just like all the others chargers I have. This makes my sixth one probably. Yeah, the decals in that bag are nice. I put them in this Ziploc bag with instructions just to protect them a little bit. Let's keep the tires away from the windshields. Yeah, they're all separate. So the next boxing I want to get is the Foose charger. just to have it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's the 6th unbuilt charger I have. Unstarted. We'll be working on one of them one of these days. One of them I am going to do a gasser on. Kind of inspired by this one, the M2. Bring that up there. Kind of neat. So that'll be that'll come someday. And this the Revell Muscle charger has that Dodge decal in it, so I can probably use that. I'll probably use that kit for it. You know, it's just almost the same as the red box there, the red charger, the Hemi 426 2-in-1. I have 5 of them. What else have I picked up recently? That's about it. Yeah, with that's all I got. I did pick up a pair of needle nose for the bench. I got tired, kept looking for them. And finally, I was like, okay, I'm going to buy a set. And that is all for my What I Buy Wednesday. Happy Mile, and we'll see you next time.